Good morning, friends. Welcome to the 22nd March morning mentorship session. I hope you've all got up, have almost reached your colleges or are reaching your colleges, starting with your internship, or if you're post interns, you've just had a good sleep and getting back to preparations. So, मुझे पहले ये बताओ हाथ उठा के कि कौन कौन INI का एग्जाम दे रहा है. I am one. और कौन एग्जाम दे रहा है INI का? Then we can talk about the form and everything. Okay, Shera de raha hai. Good morning, Jyoti. Rahul is sitting. Jyoti Balan is sitting. Aniket. Okay, good to see you, Aniket. Dr. Jyoti is sitting. Preetam is sitting. Okay. All right, सबने फॉर्म भर दिया है. आज मैं कॉन्फिडेंस से तुम लोगों से बात कर सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैंने फॉर्म भर दिया है. So I know what it is, how it is. सबने फॉर्म भर दिया है. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम फॉर्म भरने में? Yeah, basic registration is done. इसके बाद 5th April में you will get your EUC. EUC is the exam unique code. Okay, so Jyoti, have you filled it last time बेटा? पहले कभी दिया है INI का exam? No. Okay. So जो first time दे रहे हैं, all those who are giving the exam for the first time, you have to do the basic registration also. Okay, you have to put in your user ID. You will get a user ID password. You will do the basic registration from sign-in process. Sign-in करोगे अपना सब अपना नाम, mother's name, father's name, first day के marks, second day के marks, BDS का college, university, everything, internship completion. अगर last November INI दिया है तो you already have a एप्लीकेशन नंबर. जब आप INI की वेबसाइट पे जाओगे, मतलब aimsexams.edu.in पे जाओगे, आप MDS पे क्लिक करोगे INI CET में, तो ऑलरेडी आपको आपका लैपटॉप, अगर आप सेम लैपटॉप से भर रहे हो, so already your laptop will give you the user ID and password. Like for example, I will just show you to you जो मेरे साथ हुआ और जो हर बार मेरे साथ होता है ऑटोमेटिकली, और अदरवाइज यू विल हैव इट इन योर मेल. आपके ईमेल में होगा जो लास्ट टाइम एम्स ने आपको यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड दिया था, वो यूजर आईडी पासवर्ड आपके ईमेल में होगा विद द सेम लॉगिन डिटेल्स. यू कैन एक सेकेंड, one second, okay, I am just saving this screenshot ले रही हूँ because so just wanted to show you my this thing. सो इस तरह से ना मैंने गलती से पहले नेक्स्ट वाले में भर दिया था. आई वाज गोइंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन, बट इवन इफ यू गो फॉर द INI MDS, उसमें ऑलरेडी आपकी ना रजिस्ट्रेशन आईडी और पासवर्ड होगा. ठीक है, सो आपको ये वाला क्लिक करना है, रजिस्ट्रेशन एंड बेसिक कैंडिडेट इंफॉर्मेशन, और इससे आप अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन कर सकते हैं. इट विल हैव एवरीथिंग. जिसने पहले भरा है उसका सब कुछ होगा, उसकी फोटो भी होगी, उसका सिग्नेचर भी होगा, उसका थंब इंप्रेशन भी होगा. जस्ट हैव टू क्लिक ऑन ऑल द बॉक्सेस एंड एंटर सबमिट. ठीक है, और सबमिट करने के बाद अगेन यू विल हैव अ वेरी गुड कंफर्मेशन दैट योर बेसिक रजिस्ट्रेशन इज डन. ठीक है, कई बार हम डर जाते हैं, समटाइम्स वी आर स्केयर्ड दैट लिखा तो है बट वी हैव नॉट गॉट एनी कंफर्मेशन ऑन मेल. तो यू कैन जस्ट सेव योर एप्लीकेशन डिटेल्स एंड यू हैव टू वेट. कुछ नहीं करना है उसमें. एक बार उन्होंने कह दिया बेसिक रजिस्ट्रेशन इज डन, उसके बाद बिल्कुल भी डरना नहीं है. जस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. 5th April यू विल गेट अ मेल फॉर योर एग्जाम यूनिक कोड. EUC का आपको मेल आएगा बिकॉज रजिस्ट्रेशन इज द सेम एवरी टाइम. एग्जाम यूनिक कोड चेंजेस. सो नवंबर एग्जाम में कोई और कोड होगा, जुलाई एग्जाम में कोई और होगा. सो एवरी टाइम द यूनिक कोड विल चेंज. सो EUC मिलेगा. EUC के बाद आप बाकी सारी चीजें कर सकते हो. Even the payment of fees will be done after EUC. First, they will screen your basic registration form. If everything is okay, then you will be asked to pay the fees. ठीक है? अब किसी को कोई डाउट है फॉर्म भरने में, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम? यस राहुल, प्लीज आस्क योर क्वेश्चन. अपना ऑडियो ऑन करके यू कैन स्पीक. I had posted a question on Telegram, put it here again. Is it related to the INI form filling? No. Okay, so anybody has any doubts regarding INI form filling? Anybody? सबको समझ में आ गया है? So I think all those who are not planning to give the exam, even if you are finishing your internships late, you can. Acha, there is one more, Rahul. Okay, all right. Okay, no problem. You can all just give it for the trial sake. Okay, at least the people who are there in tier 1, tier 2 cities, ज़्यादातर जगहों पर center होता है. It's a very good experience to take an exam, sit on one place for 3 hours. If you can fill the form, it'll be a very good experience. I would really recommend all of you के जो दे सकता है उनको देना चाहिए. ठीक है. So coming back to our routine things. So Rahul, the other Rahul, what is your doubt, beta? You can put your doubt. Shera, so you will have to take your, you will have to do the whole thing again. आपको 3 steps follow करने होंगे. With your old user ID and password, you will have to log in. After you log in, it will show you your photo, everything. Then you will press submit. After you press submit, there will be your photo, your signature, your thumb impression. You have to tick on all the boxes, and again you have to print submit. Then it will give you an option of finally submit and save your application form. Okay. So yeah, provisionally it is accepted. So that you can save that application form, and once you do it, it will be written your basic registration is done. कोई provisionally accepted ऐसे कोई words नहीं आएंगे. Your basic registration is done. ये लिखा हुआ आएगा. If that comes, then that means it is enough. Okay. I will just show you again. कैसे आता है? I have taken a screenshot of that also. Yeah. So this is how it will look. ठीक है. So after you have checked everything, नीचे एक submit print का option आएगा. You submit the final form. After that, it will give you an option to print. You can print it or you can save it on your laptop, on your desktop, and your basic registration has been completed successfully. इतना लिखा हुआ आएगा. ठीक है. Just press OK and sleep over it. सिर्फ अब आपको अपनी मेल चेक करनी है 5th April को. 5th April onwards, you will get an EUC. उसके बाद आपका EUC डालोगे because आपकी फीस वो भर देंगे. आपसे फीस भरवा ली पर आपके रजिस्ट्रेशन ही एक्सेप्टेड नहीं हुआ, then it will be a waste of money. So first they will check your eligibility, check everything, then they will ask you to pay the fees. Okay, is it clear now? Kaustubh, is it clear? No, last November का भरा हुआ नहीं चलेगा. इस बार ये तीनों स्टेप्स आपको फिर से फॉलो करने हैं. ओके.
मैम पहले से सारे शो कर रहा है.
सॉरी
मैम लास्ट नवंबर में जो भरा था ना वो सारे कुछ शो कर रहा है और शो कर रहा है कि प्रोविजनली एक्सेप्टेड एंड लास्ट में सबमिट और वही सेम टू सेम ऑप्शन आ रहा है.
वही सेम ऑप्शन आ रहा है. वही तो मैं भी बोल रही हूँ. उतना करना पड़ेगा. ये मत सोचो कि नवंबर में किया था तो अब अपने आप हो जाएगा. करने पड़ेंगे ये 3 स्टेप्स. योर बेसिक रजिस्ट्रेशन इज डन. ये लिखा हुआ आना चाहिए. ओके. Anybody else? Any doubts? Any problems about INI-CT form filling? Okay. Now we'll come to this question from Rahul. So, Rahul, have you what batch are you? तुमने क्या लिया हुआ है? Have you taken recorded lectures? Have you taken live lectures? What have you taken in your as a program? What course have you taken? Recorded lectures. So did you go and read or listen to the TMJ lectures? Have you heard the TMJ lectures? Still you could not understand lateral arthroplasty? Okay. So no problem. Yeah. So what happens is in Sony's type 2 TMJ ankylosis क्या होता है ना? Usually ankylosis कब होता है? That's what I'm saying ना, because you have to preserve the ramus length. What happens is what is the most common cause of TMJ ankylosis? Everybody, this is open for everybody.
Trauma, ma'am.
Trauma. Okay. What trauma? Will a femur fracture cause TMJ ankylosis? Will a radius fracture cause TMJ ankylosis? No. What trauma? Most commonly, what kind of trauma can cause TMJ ankylosis? Which bone fracture will cause TMJ ankylosis? Very good. So mandibular trauma or condylar trauma. ठीक है, सबसे ज्यादा even if it is a angle fracture, so angle fracture में भी ankylosis के chances उतने नहीं होते हैं unless there is a counter coup injury to the condyle. So most common cause of and again this brings us to another repeat question. Which is the most commonly fractured bone? Which is the most commonly fractured part of the mandible? Which part of the mandible is most commonly fractured? Condyle. Okay, so trauma is the most common cause of ankylosis, and in mandible, condyle is the most commonly fractured part. So most of the cases of TMJ ankylosis are seen after condylar fractures. Okay, sometimes it is only the hemarthrosis, means there is bleeding within the joint, and that bleed has caused ossification, and that causes TMJ ankylosis. Other times, what happens is there is a fracture of the condyle, and the condylar neck displaces. Okay, there is a displacement or dislocation of the condylar head. Okay, so जब condylar head dislocate होता है, it takes the disc along with it. Okay, so disc भी चली गई, condyle भी चला गया. So what happens is coronoid वाले region में टेढ़ा मेढ़ा सा condyle और उसकी disc preserved होती है. Okay, in so many cases, so that we have classified as the Sony's type 2 TMJ ankylosis. Type 1 is only fibrous ankylosis, जिसमें आप सिर्फ Brisbane forces से या mouth opening exercises से आप उसको ठीक कर सकते हो. Type 2 में ये होता है कि पूरा का पूरा ankylosis नहीं हुआ है. It is only the lateral part of the joint. So if you see the normal anatomy of condyle, the condyle is mediolateral ना, ऐसे होता है condyle. So if this is my face, then my condyle is like this, lateral to medial. So because of condylar fracture, that condylar stump has gone medially and उसके ऊपर glenoid fossa भी है. Okay, but because of the lateral ankylotic mass, वो बाहर से वो joint fuse हो गया है, बाहर से वो ankylosis है, अंदर से अभी भी एक condyle है, अभी भी एक disc है which is preserved. Okay, so in such cases, in type 2 cases of Sony's TMJ ankylosis, what we do is हम पूरे के पूरे joint में gap arthroplasty नहीं करेंगे. हम क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ laterally, जहां पर वो एक ankylotic mass बन गया है, सिर्फ laterally we will cut that part. Okay, so what will happen is the condyle and the disc, especially in children, the condyle and the disc are already they have already created another joint kind of a thing. Okay, टेढ़ा मेढ़ा है, जैसे भी है, there is still a pseudo joint or still a deformed joint which is acting as a joint, which can act as a joint. Okay, so जो medially खिसका हुआ condyle है और उसके ऊपर जो disc preserved है, उससे, क्योंकि बच्चों में regeneration is very very fast, you can expect that this टेढ़ा मेढ़ा condyle also acts like a new joint and it reforms, it remodels into a very well functioning new joint. Okay, plus nothing can beat the native tissue. अगर आप gap arthroplasty करके costochondral graft लगाते हो, so that means still it can overgrow, it can undergrow. Yes, it will grow, but it can overgrow, it can undergrow. The growth will never be equal to the opposite side. Whereas if you preserve the native tissue, if you preserve the native disc, if you preserve the original condyle, then the growth, you can expect the growth to be symmetrical, which is very good in a growing child. So for that reason, we don't do a gap arthroplasty, we don't do a distraction osteogenesis, we don't do a costochondral graft, even if it is a growing child, if it is a Sony's type 2 ankylosis. We just remove the ankylotic area, we preserve the native condyle, we preserve the native disc, and we create a remodeled joint. Okay? Is it clear now, Rahul? सबको समझ में आ गया? ये अडल्ट में भी कर सकते हैं, ये सिर्फ चाइल्ड में नहीं है. अडल्ट में भी इफ यू फील कि सिर्फ लैटरली और मीडियली ना, जॉइंट में मीडियली बहुत सारे स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं. मीडियल, ऑन द मीडियल साइड देयर इज इंटरनल मैक्सिलरी आर्टरी, देयर इज टेरिगॉइड वीनस प्लेक्सस, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स, so that if you avoid going to the medial side, it is always easier. All right, so that is the thing. Okay. Is it understood? Has everybody understood this? Is everybody understood? Okay. Surgery first approach, Rahul. Very clearly, I have explained surgery first approach in the recorded video. I have also included the explanation of this question in the recorded video. Okay. I have explained everything about orthognathic surgery. I've explained everything about surgery first approach. And I've also discussed this question in that video. Okay. So please go back to the recorded video. Watch that part. जो end में है surgery first approach. This question is also discussed there, beta. Okay. And still, if you don't understand, I will tell you. But first, go and watch it. Okay. वहां पे मैंने draw करके अच्छे से सब कुछ बताया है. Okay. राहुल, वीडियो देखने में शॉर्टकट कभी भी मत मारो. Try and listen to it. Try and hear it. Try and understand. Still, if you have doubt, we can discuss. Got it? Rahul? अरे yes तो बोल दो. The other Rahul, not Rahul Chandrasekhara. So tomorrow Rahul will tell us about but the two approaches of orthognathic surgery. Okay, Rahul, are you still there or have you left? जैसे मैं किसी को काम देती हूँ तब अपने डाउट पूछ के भाग जाते हैं. Okay, Rahul is still there. So Rahul, tomorrow you will tell us about the two approaches for orthognathic surgery, the conventional approach and the surgery first approach. You will watch the video, you will understand everything, and tomorrow we will discuss. So you will tell us first. तो अगर तुम्हें अच्छे से समझ में आया है, it will be very good. अगर तुम्हें अच्छे से नहीं समझ में आया है, it will be an opportunity for you to discuss and clear your doubts. Okay? Agreed, Rahul? बोलती बंद हो गई अब राहुल की, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है?
Ma'am, which Rahul? I'm getting confused.
Not you. Raise the doubt. वो राहुल बात ही नहीं करेगा. See, learning is always a two-way process. Which part of recorded lectures कहाँ होता है? Surgery first approach orthognathic में होता है ना? Orthognathic surgery में, in the end, there are two approaches to orthognathic surgery. I have discussed it in the end. Okay? So you watch that video. Tomorrow, come back and discuss the two approaches for orthognathic surgery. It will clear your doubt also. Okay? One by one, we will take all your doubts. Keep all your doubts in the Telegram group. ये सब कुछ पढ़ाया हुआ है बेटा, example के साथ पढ़ाया हुआ है. So you watch those videos properly. One by one, we will discuss. Tomorrow, we will discuss conventional orthognathic surgery versus surgery first approach. It is very, very important because INI में ही ये question आता है. Only AIMS people or PGI people will usually ask such difficult questions, and this has been asked 2 exams back, like in May 2023 they have asked the surgery first approach. So we will discuss it tomorrow. First, Rahul will tell us the difference between the two approaches, and then we will discuss. Jyoti, I didn't get your 9 to 11. Everything else is okay. All right. So Rahul has said yes. He will listen to the orthognathic surgery video. He will try and understand everything. And tomorrow we will discuss. Okay? Jyoti, what is your 9 to 11?
मैम 9-2-11 9-2-11 हो गया. क्या पूछ रही थी मैं? टांग खींच रही थी उसकी.
A little bit scared. Maybe for the first time he's come to the session. Rahul, please don't be.
I got to know. इसलिए फिर मैंने
So see, sometimes I might sound a little rude also. Sometimes I might sound a little strict also. But the purpose is just to make you read, just to make you understand, and just to make you participate. Okay? कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना, just monologue होते जाता है. अगर मैं बोलते जा रही हूँ, it's very boring. Okay, for you guys also. तुम लोग कितना सुनोगे? It is best if you guys can participate in these sessions. Then it becomes interesting, and then you can remember things better also. Okay? So Rahul has said yes. So tomorrow we will discuss. How is Delhi after Kejriwal getting arrested? See, honestly, I avoid any political discussions. This is not the right group to do political discussions. And हम academic discussions करते हैं. We will have fun discussions. very soon. Just 1 week of academic discussion. Sunday ko we will have fun. Okay, let's do this thing every Sunday. Let's do some fun discussion, and Monday to Saturday let's do something. Everything that is academic. Okay. All right. So I had a lot of image-based questions ready with me, but time is over. Let's avoid doing any political or any such discussions here. एक बार select हो जाओ, PG बन जाओ. I will call you over, everybody, for a nice coffee. And over coffee, we will discuss Kejriwal se leke everybody. So let's avoid that here. Okay. So go back to your studies. Happy learning, everybody. I'll see you all tomorrow. We'll discuss conventional versus the other type of orthognathic surgery and few image-based questions. And Sunday, we will discuss all fun things. Okay, Sunday ko maze karenge. Okay, happy learning, everybody. See you tomorrow.